3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to Goddard Adventure. Today we're at All-Wheel Drive Fest, pushing Hondas way past what most people think they can do. Some make it, some don't. No lockers, no low range. Some lines don't go as planned, but that's when it gets interesting. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the adventure.
Well, HRG's got his Bronco over here just chilling on the hill, three-wheeling it. Ooh, some panel damage there, bet. Oh, he's struggling. Yeah, he's gonna go up this side here. All right, there he goes. Yeah. Ooh, you gonna try the side one over there? Yeah. You gonna take the fun side route over here? Yeah, there you go. Turn your passenger. There you go, go. There you go. Woo-hoo. Do it. Oh, he's gonna try the even more aggressive path, huh? Oh my gosh, that looks crazy. That was nuts. That's a really big spot. That looks so nuts. Like, what the heck?
A real off-roader and all us posers.
I know.
That's the real deal.
Yeah, all of us are posers, you said this one. Hey, it's always more fun if you don't know if you're going to make it off the trail or not, you know? You need to get over here some more.
You filming the business following us so you know what to report. I would say cut it past her just a little bit and give her some gas.
Oh, oh.
There you go. Driver.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, that'll buff out. Oh, dude, this side's always been buffed. You just got a little crash. Back in. Oh, that's the problem. It never has clicked in. You get a better read, you get a skill level. Bumper's okay. So what I'm thinking, I can do
Yeah, it'll
that.
buff out. It'll be fine.
All right, which way we go?
Ready for another time.
All the way past and go right up this ridge and over there. He's committed, huh? Yeah.
He's trying to be better than his friend.
Woo! Wow.
Nicely done.
Sorry, I didn't actually catch your
Okay. Back it out, try again.
I think if you angle closer this way, you might be able to fit over that.
Yeah, hit a driver.
It just seems like it would work.
It doesn't look that bad from here.
Yeah. Oh. It's the problem with the CRVs. They don't have enough go-go juice.
If you ride that right side, you'll ride the side.
There you go. Oh, shoot. He's like getting assaulted by like...
Just make sure you're not hit by those. Those aren't light.
I'm gonna put those back, okay?
Yeah, wherever you think they're best.
Right, yeah, right there,
Yeah,
right there.
dude. It's gotta get some weight on it or else it's
Oh, sorry.
gonna go.
Eli, move. It was close.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's got the wheel chalked. Or is it? Uh-oh. I mean, there is a big...
A little B20 that could.
Back out and cut it, driver, just a tiny bit. Now, all right, now go. Squealing.
Oh, man, it smells so bad. All right, now gun it. And Marcus, set, go. There you go, there you go. Oh, shoot. Come on.
You know your hazard up.
There you go, there you go.
I have to go to the
Woo.
Dad, I wasn't over there when you
After this obstacle, someone in the party started feeling very faint, so we had to pack up and turn around and help her out. After this, we prepared for the night ride excursion. This was a really fun event and an epic time. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that adventure coming soon.
Go.